Hi friends, today we are going to discussing about the Chinese civilization. The Chinese civilization. We were studied about um, what Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, and Harappan civilization in our previous videos. So the Chinese civilization. The earliest Chinese civilization is the Shang civilization. The earliest Chinese civilization is the Shang civilization. The Shang dynasty was overthrown by Zhou dynasty. The Shang dynasty was overthrown by Zhou dynasty. The Chinese script is a pictographic script. The Chinese script is a pictographic script. It is remarkable that the Chinese script has changed very little since the earliest times. We were studied that Harappa civilization is also have the pictographic script. So there is a little change since that earliest times. The Chinese calendar was solar lunar calendar. The solar lunar calendar is the combination of both the solar and lunar calendar. The Chinese were the first to calculate the length of length of the year as 365 1/4 days. In 3rd century BC, the Qin dynasty became very important. To keep out invaders from the north, he began to construct a wall that is called Great Wall. The Han dynasty followed by Qin dynasty uh, in BC 202, and Han emperor ruled China for almost 400 years. Next one, what is Confucius? What is Confucius? The political practices of the Han rulers were greatly influenced by the teachings of Confucius. During Han rule, to qualify for the appointment, the young men had to pass through an elaborate system of examination before they were chosen. Such scholar officials came to be known as mandarins. The Chinese was the first civilization in history to have a system of selecting public officials on the basis of education and competitive exams. So the in China, in earliest China, they were select the officials through an competitive examination or on the basis of what education. Under the Han's, silk was a principal item of export, and there are two religions. The first one is Taoism, and the second one is Confucianism. The Buddhism was brought into China. Buddhism was brought into China by Indian during the Han rule. The Indians are brought Buddhism to China. The, the Chinese script was standardized by Qin rulers. The Chinese script spread to other countries also. It influenced the Japanese, Korean, and Vietnam scripts. So it is standardized by Qin rulers, and it spread all over the world. The important invention. In the 1st century AD, paper was invented in China. The invention of paper and its importance in spreading knowledge within the outside China makes it one of the great contribution of China to the world. So the great invention that made by Chinese uh, is paper invention. Some of the first historical works in the world were written in China. Each dynasty completed its own history. The pattern of these histories was set by Zuma Jin and is commonly remembered as the Herodotus. So it is remembered as Herodotus. The water clock, abacus, umbrella were invented by Chinese. In the 2nd century AD, the Chinese invented seismography. Seismograph. So these are the important points regarding the Chinese civilization. Thank you.